Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an initial map with the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller. If you're interested in the Aqua10, a link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the DREAME home app right here. We have our Aqua10 Ultra Roller pulled up. We're going to select that center button towards the bottom that says go to the device. So we'll select that, and now we're at the main screen for our device. We're at the center. It's kind of blocked by the Clean Genius button there, ironically. But we have a Start Fast Mapping button. So we can go ahead, we can press that. And they give you a quick guide. So make sure if everything all set up and ready to go, where you want it. So tidy your house, open the doors, put the station where you want it, then hit OK. So we're going to do that right now. We'll place everything, we'll hit OK, we'll come back and it'll start to create a map. All right, so we have it where we want it. We're going to select OK. And now it's working on mapping for us right here. So we'll just wait a couple of minutes as it goes around and maps each room in our house. All right, it's returning to the station. It took 7 minutes to map our home. It's going back to the docking station right now. We'll wait for it to get in the station and for everything to finish populating. It just said mapping completed. Now we can optimize the experience right now. The map is changing here in real time. It's adding the rooms. Take a look at everything right here. And then we can choose to skip or proceed to adjust. I'll show you the adjustments here. So we can merge, divide, and hide rooms if we weren't happy with anything. But it did everything exactly how I'd want it to be. But you have that option there if you wanted to change something. If you wanted to add virtual walls, no-go zones, or virtual threshold ramps, you can do that. You can add furniture as well too. And then you can adjust the cleaning sequence. Hit complete. It's walking you through Clean Genius, map edit and display options, real-time camera, settings, threshold confirm, you can adjust or if it's correct. So it did add a threshold right there. That is passable. That's from hard floors to carpet, so that's correct. And there you have it. The map is all set and ready to go. Again, right-hand side above the camera icon is the map edit icon. That's how we can see everything. If we wanted to make any further adjustments to our map, it can be found right here. But simple and straightforward to make the initial and first map with your DREAME device. And again, you can have multiple maps as well.